out the bash. The Lovettes and the Lovers, everybody. Hey, but the good times don't end there. We still got one more cartoon. How about another musical performance? It's a tune-in with me debut from 1949. Here is Mighty Mouse in Perils of Pureheart.
Mighty Mouse, what a mass of muscle. Mighty Mouse, the champ of them all. Yell out loud when you're in a tussle. Mighty Mouse is always on call.
In our last episode, we left that evil villain, Oil Can Harry, lowering Pearl Pureheart into a den of hungry lions.
Stop! I am a helpless maiden, the victim of foul play, so please don't eat me, I pray not today.
We could never, never eat you, honey. That would never do. It's that villain Oil Can Harry, honey, on whom we'd like to chew. Yes, chew. Yes, chew.
Curses! It didn't work. Meanwhile, Mighty Mouse is rocketing to the rescue at the unheard-of speed of 6,243 1/2 miles per hour.
I fear not, for my hero is on the way.
Don't be too sure, gal. You're only half safe.
Mighty Mouse!
Here I come to save the day.
Curses! It's that muscle-bound mouse again. At last you're in me power. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Oh, to sleep, my baby. Sing, sing. Wake up, Mighty Mouse. We're all depending on you. Come on, Mighty Mouse. We knew you could do it.
come out of your trance, for now at last you're free.
Thank goodness that it's you.
Don't think that I am true. Mighty Mouse has done it again. He's a hero, tried and true.
Remember Saturday morning cartoons?
I remember.
Great, because there's a place where it's Saturday morning all the time.
Yes, Don!
What's up, Doc?
Zoinks! Yabba-dabba-doo!
This is metv Toons.
I'm so tired of feeling like I'm being interrupted or feeling dumb when I'm in conversations. So I downloaded this app called Elevate, and it's actually an award-winning brain training app. Build confidence in your communication skills and take their placement quiz today.
Si usted tiene planes esta noche, condiciones muy agradables.